एंड अनटिल जब तक आप कायदे में रहोगे तो फायदे में रहोगे।
Hi Ritesh, welcome to Stories Unfiltered. Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, Perrin. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Can you just tell me something about yourself, your journey?
As you know, like my father was working into armed forces, and my entire family is from service background. So all are into service background. After completing my graduation, after completing my MBA, I have started working with a few organization, and then I realized that I have to do something else. So I have started my own business. My company name is Chanakya HR and we are into HR business since 2009. Starting from, अगर आप start करेंगे तो from a son of a armed force person to a businessman. So it is a totally drastic opposite side. So there are challenges during this particular period, but still I have learned a lot since 2009 and still I am learning. So this is my entire journey where we are helping small companies, MSMEs to streamline their HR and their HR compliances. That is the most important part which I thought that MSME or a startup is facing, because there are a lot of compliances which they have to follow and we are helping them to streamline that. So this is my basic journey for business.
It's really good to know about it.
Thank you.
So, what was the first feeling when you cracked the first project?
So feeling was good because when you don't have any client or you don't have any particular background, so it is very challenging for us also when we are approaching companies for a business or for the projects. So there are things like you don't have any past experience into this particular field. So how you will be dealing with this particular compliances or HR. So we have still we are able to find our client, and when we cracked, it was a great feeling. And from that particular point till now, it is almost 15-year journey. We every time we are getting a new challenges, but still we are doing good.
Okay, so what are the challenges of your industry no one talks about?
So in our industry, in HR industry, there are a lot of AI is coming right now, but still if all the AI will take over entire any particular industry, but still the human intervention is always there, because in my industry if everything you will automate, still in the compliances when you are talking to bureaucrats, you are talking to who are taking the government side, so still the human intervention is always there. And there are a lot of challenges because day by day government is coming up with the new. So recently there is a new update of labor law, labor code is coming. So this is the challenges where MSME and startup are facing the challenges of implementing those code into their company. So we as a Chanakya, we are helping a startup and the MSME to implement this code smoothly into their organization, so that there will be no further delay or there will be no legal liabilities for their company to not to follow this code.
It's really great to hear about your challenges you faced and about your industry, and that is one part where AI cannot take over. So really, that's good to know. So thank you so much for joining us, and thank you so much for coming to Stories Unfiltered.
So thank you, Perrin, for inviting me into this particular podcast. And I'm just sharing with the MSME. So don't run away from the compliances. This is for betterment of your company as well as your employee. And until जब तक आप फायदे में रहोगे तो फायदे में रहोगे.